The green sea turtle, often depicted gliding majestically beneath the waves, is the poster child of the turtle family. But there are many other species that need our attention too, such as the 18 different varieties of freshwater turtles Malaysia is home to. These freshwater turtles, many of which are endangered, play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem of Malaysia's rivers. Chen Pelfnyok and her team at the Turtle Conservation Society of Malaysia work tirelessly to conserve the critically endangered river terrapin by collecting and incubating their eggs. Chen, the co-founder of TCS, says these terrapins are vital for mangrove growth, which in turn is crucial in preventing erosion and protecting coastal communities against floods.
When they feed on fruits or mangrove shoots that fall onto the river, when they defecate, these seeds will be planted along the river. So what this means is that river terrapin is a very good seed disperser. It is a privilege to have this rare creature living in the river behind your home, behind your school.
Meanwhile, Worldwide Fund for Nature Malaysia freshwater biologist Zaid Nasir and his team work to conserve painted terrapins, which are also critically endangered.
Tuntun laut juga dia dikenali sebagai penyu air tawar yang tercantik di dunia disebabkan ciri unik dia semasa musim mengawan, the mating season dia, iaitu akan terjadi kepada tuntung laut jantan yang mana kepala dia akan berubah warna kepada warna putih berserta belang merah di antara mata dia.
In their conservation efforts, Zaid said WWF is now tagging and tracking these terrapins to study their movements and behavior.
Tuntung laut memang kurang popular berbanding hidupan liar lain lah seperti harimau belang, gajah, penyu kan yang lebih popular. Dan pendapat kami lah, mungkin satu sebab adalah rupa paras dia yang tidak begitu menarik. Dan satu lagi yang paling penting adalah kurang pendedahan. Kita sepatutnya rasa bersyukur lah sebab dekat dunia ni tak semua negara ada.
Natasha Bust, FMT News.